Hi, welcome back to Ebb and Flow Creative Co. Today we will be making snowflakes using Procreate. We will be using the drawing guides. So I've started with a 300 by 300 pixel canvas, and it's important that it is square. We're going to go into Canvas and go to Drawing Guide and turn that on, and then we're going to Edit Drawing Guide. Under Symmetry, we will click Options, and we're going to choose Radial. And then click the check mark. So on this, everything you do in one little quadrant, it happens in another. And so drawing snowflakes is very fun and easy. You can pretty much do anything and it makes a cool snowflake. So we're going to undo that because, all right. And if it's making kind of a triangle-y shape on the quadrant, you can drag it in a little until it goes straight. And so snowflakes are a lot of just fun lines and angles. So you can do straight lines, you can do circles, and doing the circles is a little more difficult using this technique, but it is doable. You just have to go slow. Yeah, let's see, we can do more straight lines. We can do smaller little angles. We can go back in here and we can add dots. And let's add a dot to the center of this. So from there you can go in and you can clean up the lines with a smaller brush, but I just want to make a whole bunch of snowflakes, so I'm going to move on to another layer, turn that first layer off, and we're going to click on that and make sure that Drawing Assist is on for every single layer. So we'll move to a lighter blue color for this and just draw more shapes. And it is super fun how you can draw kind of any shape, and it kind of makes a flower when you do this shape. But if you add enough details, you can make it look more like a snowflake. And so from there you can go in and you can erase shapes out if you want, just to add more fun details. Alright, we'll make another one, and I've made so many with this. It is very fun. I'm just using a monoline brush, by the way. So for this one, I'm going to do kind of, I forgot to set it to Drawing Assist. Alright, this one, it's almost going to be like Valentine's-ish themed, and it's one of my favorite ones. Okay, so I was saying that I've made so many of these and they never turn out the same, and that is really fun. And just always hold that line until you get the line that you want. And you can also fill in some of the open space if you want. So we'll start with another one. Let's set it to drawing assist. And so the radial setting works the best for this. There is a quadrant setting, but it's a little harder to make. I do wish there was this one is cut into 8. I wish there was one that was cut into 6, but there's not. You could always draw it out manually if you wanted. And so you can do very simple ones. And they're still so fun. I was making some cut files for my Cricut, and I normally make them in Illustrator, but I was getting tired of playing around so much with Illustrator, and so I just started playing with my iPad to make them instead. And I had so much fun with this. It is just a lot of fun. You can just keep going and going and going. And I was just using my sketching brush, and then I would take that idea and put it into Illustrator, and that's a great way to do it too. But you could also just turn these into cut files if you needed to. All right. So I love just playing with the lines. It's very fun. And from here, I'm just going to time lapse it and just draw a whole bunch of them. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. It's a very simple video idea, but it's one that you can pretty much immediately go and play with your iPad and use.